everybody, today I'm going to talk about makeup removers, their importance and how to make your own makeup remover at home. So what are the makeup removers available in the market? You get Maybelline, you get L'Oreal, you get Lakme, all in the price range between 300 to 800 range, and they're pretty good. But my point is that why can't we make makeup removers at home by spending less than half the price of what we spend for makeup removers in the market? Now most makeup removers available in the market are biphase formulas. Now what are biphase formulas? It is actually half part water and half part oil. That is, water and oil are mixed in the ratio 1:1 to make a makeup remover. Most people just use baby oil or any other form of oil like olive oil to remove makeup, which is fine, but oil is a very dense product, and it is not very good for this mature skin because it tends to clog our pores just like makeup would. So once it clogs our pores, the skin gets irritated and you get acne and other skin issues. So it's great to make your own makeup remover at home so that you can remove all the makeup and get your skin squeaky clean. So how do I make my own makeup remover at home? All I need is baby oil, my favorite face wash, and a bottle of mineral water. That's it. Now this bottle is 200 ml and it cost me 165 rupees, and this makes 2 bottles of this. So that's a very large quantity of makeup remover, and it goes on like for more than 2 months. So I think it's more than sufficient, and if just by spending 165 bucks I can make makeup remover for 4 months, I think it's totally worth it. So what you do is just take a very clean bottle, add half of fill half of it with oil, the baby oil which I just told you about, and half of it, the remaining half, with mineral water. And what it'll do, it'll make the biphase formula. There's half part water, half part oil, in the ratio 1:1. Okay, and then what you do, you take your face wash, your favorite face wash, whichever face wash you're using, just make sure it's herbal and very gentle, and squirt at least 2 pumps of the face wash. Like mine comes with a pump, but you can adjust the amount by the amount of face wash you use for washing your face once. Just double that up and add it into this mixture, give it a nice shake, and voila, your makeup remover is ready. Now the thing is, why I tell you to use a herbal face wash or a gentle cleanser like a baby shampoo is because there are many times when we do not want to wash our face or post makeup removal. So at least a very harsh chemical won't be staying back on your face in the entire night. If you use a gentle cleanser, you can sometimes skip washing your face. Now I made this makeup remover and I'm going to show you how well it removes makeup. Now I'm going to apply my 14-hour stay Maybelline lipstick on my hand over here, and then I'm going to take my makeup remover on a cotton pad like this. I soak it up. And it's gone. Just it's so gentle, you do not have to tug at your skin, you do not have to pull at your skin, and it just removes makeup like magic without spending not even half of the amount what you would pay in the market, and you get a very large quantity. I think double the quantity of what they give in the market. So yeah, you should give it a try. Let me know how it works for you. Let me know if you want to know any other DIYs and product reviews in future. Please subscribe to my channel, and until next time, take care.